The Artboard tool lets you adjust the properties of Artboard in Illustrator. It is located here on the toolbar, so click on it to change the properties of the artboard. And as soon as you click, you will see crop marks appear on the artboard. Now you can easily scale the artboard or move the artboard as per your liking. When you select the Artboard tool, the control bar changes to show you the properties of the artboard, where you can change the presets, and there are so many to choose from. Or you can change the orientation of the artboard like portrait or landscape by clicking on these buttons. And clicking on this button will make new artboard. You can also delete any artboard by just selecting it and pressing delete on the keyboard. Here you can change the name of the artboard. And from here you can change the height and width of the artboard precisely. There is also an Artboard panel available, so click on Windows and select Artboard. In this panel, you will find all the artboard that you are created. You can also create new artboard from here by clicking on this button. And if you press this button, this will delete the artboard. So this is all about the Artboard tool in Illustrator.